During the project, how the data would be created. So during the project, the data would be created in mass because you are doing the transfer from one system to another system. During the process, the normal business operation, it would be only few materials, 50 materials, 100 materials per month would be coming. But during the projects, you need to load in SAP S4HANA. In SAP S4HANA, you need to load thousands of material together, right? Your raw materials, your finished products, your spare items, so many things you need to load it together. So one by one creation does not work. One by one creation does not work. So what we do it, we have an Excel template. We create Excel templates, and these templates are readily available from SAP. SAP provide the templates for the material masters. For the business partner, whatever the master data you require, the standard templates are available. And we use tools like HANA Migration Cockpit. So HANA Migration Cockpit, there is a 10 to 12 hours of training available on only on the HANA Migration Cockpit, that how this tool would be used, how the templates would be drawn, how the data would be filled, and through the HANA Migration Cockpit, how we would be uploading the data in mass. That has been covered in migration tool, which is complementary product with excellence. So if you have also purchased excellence, then you would be having access to this training also, where you would be able to know that how the mass data need to be uploaded by using tools like HANA Migration Cockpit. So it's a complementary training which we have added with the SAP S4HANA SD Excellence. So we use these kind of tools. So the consultants get these templates from the HANA Migration Cockpit. And after getting this template from the HANA Migration Cockpit, they first try to understand, they simplify the template, and then these consultants would be explaining to the end users how to fill this template. And this would be quite tedious activity. The most challenging activity in the SAP implementation project is data. That's why I say that there is a huge amount of chances कि भैया, if you have a very strong hand onto the master data itself, you can become a consultant. I started my first assignment in the SAP implementation project was the master data team. During the project implementation, I was this consultant, okay, and I was responsible for the PP. And you know what is the fun thing? There was the master data team, the number of consultant was there in that project was the biggest in the master data team. We were 4 PPQM consultant only in the master data team. And for the implementation, there were 3 PPQM consultant. I started my career as a PP, production planning guy. So these people would be explaining all the things to this team, and this team would be filling all the data into the templates, and then it would be coming back to you. You would be validating whether all the data has been filled correctly, or if something has been missed, you would be send it back, explain them again back, these things are not correct. Then you will also validate the data which they are giving. They are giving you the sales view. You need to check whether the basic view has been created for them or not, right? You need to cross validate with the different templates. Okay, so that you would be doing it. And then you would be the one who would be uploading a data through HANA Migration Cockpit in SAP S4HANA system. This is the tool which is used. Okay, this activity can be that tedious that there can be one SD consultant, we can put it, whose responsibility only in the full project to make sure to govern the data, make sure that all the key data structures, explain them correctly to the business people, follow up with the business people, get the data filled, get the data validated. And this activity does not happen at the end of the project. It will start from the start of the project and it will go till end. It will go till end. It is not easy. In one of the project, I was a solution architect. And in mid of the project, they have changed my responsibility and I need to become a master data lead from the solution architect. And the reason was because they were not able to handle the master data. Because of the master data issues, the go live was getting delayed. Because solutioning, putting the solution is the hand of the consultant. Here, you need to, if you need to put all the master data correctly in the system, you need to have so many stakeholders in business. You need to talk with them, you need to collect data with them, and they are responsible for so many other things in the business operations. So they will not give you proper time, or when they fill the data, it is not proper. A lot of discussion need to happen. We need to create a kind of a war room, big war room, where we give the targets. Okay, that level of data need to be completed and submitted. Whoever has not submitted, we used to put them into this war room, and we make them sit, the business people in the war room with us, to complete the data, to put all the data into the Excel templates, validate it, get it validated from us, and then finally when we say okay, then they were used to go ahead into their offices in the business. So would be one of the most challenging activities would be this data activities during the project. So this is the one way I have explained you how the data can be created during the projects through the HANA Migration Cockpit. Earlier, we were using some another tools also, which was LSMW. LSMW is still available in SAP S/4HANA, but not recommended to use. The recommended tool is HANA Migration Cockpit. Although in this course, HANA Migration course, we have also given the example that how with LSMW you can create the template. LSMW is more tough approach. So you need to follow 7 to 9 steps. And after following 7 to 9 steps, you would be able to create your Excel template. In HANA Migration Cockpit, readily Excel templates are available. Okay. So the basics of LSMW also we have included in this HANA Migration Cockpit product of training, which is complementary with the Excellence products, Excellence, SAP, SDM, MPP. With all of them, it is a complementary training. That is one of the way how post go live the data can be created, data can be uploaded in the system.